outlier events are on the rise. And this means a few different things. There was a special report from the IPCC a few years ago that demonstrated that a number of hydrometeorological extreme events are on the rise. And this can be seen in a number of different climate impacts. For instance, there is likely to be a 300% rise in extremely hot days in the United States over the course of this century. Over the last 50 years, there's been a 300% rise in extreme rainfall events in India. Overall, there seems to be now agreement on the fact that past historical patterns of risk can no longer be used to understand the future perfectly. And there is no better demonstration of this than the disaster that happened in New Orleans with Hurricane Katrina. Of course, what happened there was due to a large number of factors. There were big social problems, there were big failures of governance, but one of the components that contributed to the disaster was infrastructure, and specifically the fact that flood protective infrastructure around New Orleans was built to withstand a storm that happens one every 100 years. But Hurricane Katrina was a 1 in 400-year event that led to catastrophic failures of infrastructural systems. And this was because the infrastructural system had been designed looking at past patterns of risk, not accounting for black swan events that might occur.